No!
Give me that yummy gummy. I'm Gus the Gummy Gator.
Hey, you little gators! Today we're gonna build with giant Legos. Let's go! Whoa! Whoa! Lots of Legos! All right! All right! One more! Wow! That's a lot of Legos! I think that's all of them. Wow! Let's get building! Time for a building challenge! Hey, you wanna play? First thing we're gonna build is a chair! Alright, we got a good looking chair going here! And stay there! Alright! Look at my wonderful chair! Let's try this thing out! Oh no! My chair's broken! We better hurry up and fix it! We're running out of time! This is much better! Let's try out our chair! Make sure it works! I can sit just fine all day! Da-da-da-da! Let's see what Mo the Monster's working on! Mo, wow! Wow, you did a nice job, but not as good as my chair. All right, little gators, we got two chairs. We got Monster's chair. Looks more like a messed up stool. And then we got Gus' chair. Mine, look at that. Looks like a giant throne for a king. Woohoo! Which one do you think wins? All right, my chair wins. Now it's time to test them out. Let's see which chair is stronger. This here's a sturdy chair. Let's go test out your chair. Yeah. Let's see if it can hold my weight. Oh, the chair lost its legs. All right. Next, we're gonna build an animal. We're gonna make an alligator. That means we need lots of green, like me. Alligators have big green bodies. One last piece. There we go. What you think? Does that look like an alligator, little gators? Yeah, you could be my cousin. Now we're both finished. What you think, little gators? Do you like the alligator? Yeah, beautiful creature. Or do you like the giraffe? Which one wins? The giraffe wins! All right, let's try another challenge. Oh, let's try to build a tall tower. Let's go. My tower's gonna have a real strong foundation. Ain't nothing gonna break this. Let's keep building. All right, here's my tower. I'm on top of the world. Wait a minute, definitely need more bricks. Rats! Now I gotta start everything over again. There's no way the monster can make a bigger tower than this one. Perfect! All right, looking good. I think my tower's better. Let's ask. What you think, little gators? Whose tower is better? Mr. Mo the Monster? Or my tower, Gus the Gator Tower? Dun, 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 dun. Oh, look at that. So much better engineering. Which one's better? You're right. My tower's better. That means I win the building competition. And now for all the fun. Let's go play with the towers. Let's see how strong this tower is. Whoa! Let's try to make it to the top. No! Whoa! Look at Mo the Monster's tower. That thing's not gonna hold much longer. Wonder what's gonna happen now. Whoa! Yeah, well, I got an idea. Woohoo! That was fun! Thanks for watching. See you later, little gators.
If you had fun today, click my other videos to see me and my yummy gummies. Click on the red button to subscribe to watch more of my videos and my yummy gummy adventures.